In order to post journal entries to PSL Plus, select Journal Entry folder on the left-hand side. Once open, select JE Edit or Post. This will bring up our Post JE transaction screens. You may select by batch, reference, production, company, or currency. If you'd like one specific transaction or reference to be selected, right-click in Reference field and select the specific reference, and hit OK. This is letting my system know that I'd only like to post the one transaction as opposed to all available journal entries. Next, select your report type. An edit list is a preliminary edit list to look over the entry and make sure everything is correct. This will not post. If you'd like to post and are ready to post your transaction, select Posting Register. Once selected, select Print in the upper right of the JE transaction screen. Then select your printer, hit Print, and name your file. Once ready, hit Save. The system will ask if your register has been printed correctly. It is advised to take a look over your register, make sure everything is correct. If correct, navigate back to PSL and select Yes. If you select No, the transaction will not be posted. It will now let you know that journal entries have been posted to the general ledger. That's posting journal entries within PSL Plus.